Hello everyone. So in my last video, I talked about the story behind Ordisp, why I built that, what is the idea behind that. Today I will show the features of Ordisp and what I actually built. So let me show you what I created actually. This is the Ordisp landing page, and here you can see all the available features of the Ordisp and what problem actually it is solving. And this is the entry point of the main application. You can start the free. From here you land inside the login page, and if you want to create a new account, you can easily do that, just putting your name, your email address. I'm using this one at this moment, and you have to confirm your password and create an account. Now you see, you just need to confirm your email address from your email. Let me show you if I got a new email. Yes, I got a new authentication 1 minute ago. So yeah, now it takes you to the onboarding steps, and very simple and very easy to use. You see, you can just give what kind of customer you are. Let's say you are a developer or a operational manager. You continue, and now I'm actually working with these features for store integration, although you cannot integrate that. But what you can do, if you have a order in a different places, different stores, like say you have order in Shopify, you have order in C or in Excel, you can just export them in SVG and import them from here. Let's skip for now. You see the dashboard, you have the order menu, you have the shipping menu, all the things are here. This is the beginning. You don't have anything at this moment. You can see you don't have any orders pending, dispatch, deliver, anything. Yes, now what you can do, you can create a new order, or as I said, you can import your orders. So let me show you. If I wanted to create a new one, I'm creating for let's say James Anderson, and his email anderson@gmail.com, and you can give an address like 1234 New Street, and the currency you can select in Portugal, and it's automatically changed with the currency from the Portugal of that country. Product name, car seat, price 399, and shipping charge I can add like 20, like 15, and just create the order. Now you see you have one order here. You can see the few details of your order. You see all the information here, the payment, refund process, so everything is there. As I say, you have the tracking and how it works. You have the customer list, inventory, and also you can add your all available shippings, and you can also set some kind of automation rule for your customer. And this is so important, when you set these things, automatically your customer get those email. Or this is the settings. You can see how you can add a new logo for your store, and you can also change your branding color, notification, account, everything you can see here. Let's show you how the import feature work. I'm uploading few demo data for this demo purpose. let's say I'm uploading this one, and there's something, some of the field it may not automatically match, so you have to, let's say here is order number, this is order ID on the pages, so you have to be careful for that. Customer name is here, the total, and you can, if you want the date, like anything you can adjust and continue. Now you see you have the 10 orders, the new 10 orders, so it's importing. Then now you have all the 10 orders are available here, and you can see the volume trend of your order, everything very simple, and all the things you need in a simple place. You can also track your revenue. You see you have the total order and total revenue also created here. So I think this is gonna be really helpful for you, and if you need anything to understand this product, you can always contact me. Thank you.